Trump's comments about a cure for COVID-19 are confusing, according to Dr. Fauci. The words of Donald Trump, who congratulated himself on his recovery from COVID-19 thanks to an experimental treatment that he called a cure, can create a lot of confusion, said Friday Anthony Fauci, one of the U.S. government's leading experts on the coronavirus. The director of the American Institute of Infectious Diseases, a globally respected scientist, also spoke of a super-propagator event in connection with a ceremony held at the end of September at the White House, believed to be at the origin of the COVID-19 infection of several guests. I think it really depends on what you mean by remedy, because that word creates a lot of confusion, said CBS Radio Mr. Fauci. We have good treatments for severely ill people who are hospitalized, said the doctor, listing different drugs already tested by trials on thousands of patients, such as the antiviral remdesivir and the corticosteroid dexamethasone, which have been prescribed to the U.S. president. But he was more cautious about treatments with monoclonal antibodies, such as that developed by the American biotechnology company Regeneron, touted by the president, or that of pharmaceutical group Eli Lilly. They show promise in clinical trials, but overall their efficacy or safety has yet to be proven, said Anthony Fauci. Regeneron's treatment, intended to replace the immune system to neutralize the coronavirus, has produced promising results in preliminary clinical trials in 275 patients. Asked about the usefulness of masks after several guests at a White House ceremony on September 26 tested positive for the coronavirus, Dr. Fauci said the data speaks for itself. We had a super-propagating event at the White House, where people were close to each other and not wearing masks, he said. More than 30 people are believed to have been infected during the ceremony organized for the nomination of Mr. Trump's candidate for the Supreme Court, Amy Coney Barrett. As for the concerns of some experts over a hasty return to business for Mr. Trump, which could still be contagious as he holds his first public event at the White House on Saturday since his hospitalization, he said he trusted him. President's medical team. I can tell you that they will test it, to find out if it is no longer contaminated, he said. I can guarantee you they will give him a test before they let him out.